You have to tell me, later on because I cannot monitor your talk. So this is our office. And let's get some drink. So here we used to have the convenience store, but they're all gone. So I got the Calpis water. So it's a busy day, but everybody is going somewhere, taking the holidays off. Yeah, we have the post. Now we are back. This was a kind of small test. All right. So the alternative show is gonna be changing. Okay, like that. Like bringing that all the kind of live interviews. Maybe you with you guys and then collaborating with some people, because this technology, I love that. iPad, and then I can send you the link. And then you can just pick up that phone and do that live stream from your own home, and then appear in the show. So that's crazy good. Okay. So let's do that. Our demonstrations for the food, and then let me just focus on the Calpis water. Okay. Yeah. So the Calpis water, there are some stories about what the Calpis water. I don't know if you guys know this, have heard that, Calpis. When I was learning some English and here in Japan, and then there was a kind of joke about that drink, Calpis. Okay, because the sound is so weird. And then as you hear that, I don't want to mention that, but it doesn't good sound, isn't it? It doesn't. I mean, it's not. There you go. Okay, here you go. Oh, all right. So, well, the Calpis, it's a kind of milk-based drink, but it has the more great taste with it, kind of sour taste. And it has been quite a popular drink for the many people. I used to drink when I was small. It's quite a popular drink for many children. They used to bring that to we used to purchase it as in a concentrated version of the Calpis, and in a bottle, the glass bottles. So we bring it back to the homes. We purchase it. And then at the home, we just pour that extra some water, and then we'll thin it, and it's always enjoy that, you know, a taste of that. And but so it's changed. You know, time has changed. Now we have more vending machines and more, you know, better. People are looking for the kind of easy to access to drinks and all the different kind of variety of the drinks. And so the Calpis, the popular kind of traditional drink for us, has changed it, and then no more concentrated versions, but just to bring that, you know, added water. Okay. So this is Calpis water, and it's a very popular one. And so let me just. The package, it shows us something interesting here. Okay, let me just. Calpis 絵本の家 project has the kind of, you know, nice, interesting picture book project they have. I'm not sure which is. Oh, okay. All right, so here it says Calpis 絵本の家 project, and so they put that kind of picture book, home of picture book project. So Calpis brand, the brand has been celebrating 100 years. Wow. Okay. And so the brand is always has been bringing that, you know, love and then careness and then thoughts to the people, important people, the important persons, peoples. And then I would like to just bring that this home of picture book project to the children, and then here is the access code. Okay, so by accessing this, you know, small QR codes, you can get to know about what the picture book you know, 絵本の家 project. So the address right here. Maybe if you guys are interested in, you know, take a look at that. And then here, where'd it go? Okay. Oh, right here. So picture book project from the Calpis, https://www.calpis100.jp. I don't know if they have their English website or not, but yeah, they are celebrating that 100 years of the celebration. Wow. Okay. I guess we should do that, you know, 10th anniversary for the CSTOYS too. Okay. So, but anyway, Calpis water is here. So now let me just, you know, taste it. Oh, never had the Calpico. So they call the Calpico? Oh, wow. Okay, so いただきます。Refreshing. It's not too sweet. No, it's not thick. Very light taste, but it is a Calpis. Okay. Wow. So, 発酵飲料。It's more like a taste like the yogurt tasted. It's good though. It's a milk based. Okay. So, Calpis water. It's very popular one, and when it comes to Japan next year, the 2020, you should try that.